Ever tried splitting a bill and ended up in Cash App drama? Have you ever been out with friends, enjoyed a delicious meal, and then dreaded the moment the bill arrives? You know the scene. Everyone shuffles around in their wallets, hoping they have enough cash, or someone has to awkwardly ask, "Who has Venmo?" Let's be honest, fumbling with cash or navigating different payment apps can be a real buzzkill. Thankfully, there are services like Zelle that allow for quick and easy money transfers directly between bank accounts in the US. But here's the thing, not every debit or credit card works with Zelle. So, before you get caught in a situation where you can't pay your share, let's break down exactly what cards are compatible with Zelle and how you can be sure you're good to go. Hold on, what exactly is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service that lets you send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the US. It's kind of like online banking, but instead of paying a company, you're paying a friend, roommate, or whoever you owe money to. Here's the beauty of Zelle, it's usually fast, secure, and often free to use, although some banks might charge small fees. All you need is the recipient's email address or US mobile number linked to their bank account. Now, back to the question. Can you use any card to pay with Zelle? Not quite. Here's the deal with cards and Zelle. Zelle connects directly with your bank account, so debit cards and prepaid cards linked to a checking account generally work with Zelle. Credit cards, on the other hand, typically don't work with Zelle. That's because Zelle is meant for transferring existing funds, not using credit. So, how do you know if your card works with Zelle? The easiest way is to check your banking app or bank's website. Most banks will explicitly state whether Zelle is supported and which cards you can use. If you're unsure, it's always best to contact your bank directly. They'll be happy to answer any questions you have about Zelle and compatibility with your specific cards. Beyond compatibility, using Zelle safely. Alright, so you've confirmed your card works with Zelle. Great. But before you go on a Zelle spree, let's talk about safe practices. Remember, Zelle transactions are typically final, so it's crucial to be cautious. Here are some key safety tips to remember. Only send money to people you know and trust. Zelle transactions are usually instant and can't be reversed. Don't be pressured into sending money to someone you don't know, especially for things like online purchases. Double-check the recipient's information. A typo in an email address or phone number could mean your money ends up in the wrong account. Take a moment to confirm the details before hitting send. Be mindful of what you share. Don't share your bank account information or any one-time codes with anyone over email, text, or social media. Zelle can be a fantastic tool for splitting bills, paying rent, or sending money to friends and family. But remember, use it wisely and prioritize safety. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.